वेलकम डियर फ्रेंड्स टू योर चैनल मैथ्स अफेंटी। और आज हम बात करेंगे क्या 4x4 मैट्रिक्स एंड सिंगुलर नॉन सिंगुलर। तो फर्स्टली वी विल टॉक अबाउट 4x4 मैट्रिक्स, व्हाट इज 4x4 मैट्रिक्स एंड हाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस 4x4 मैट्रिक्स। एंड द सेकंड टॉपिक ऑफ द टुडेस सेशन इज सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स एंड नॉन सिंगुलर, और what is singular matrix, non-singular matrix, what type questions comes in exams related to singular and non-singular. So firstly that our topic is 4x4 matrix. So let's start. Suppose I am giving example 1 is, let a matrix A 1 2 2 3 2 1 0 2 4 3 2 2. This is the matrix of order rows, means number of rows are 4 and number of columns are 4. So how we have to solve this? We have to solve simply like a 3x3 matrix. Then there is no difference between solving in different. There is no difference in between solving 3x3 matrix and there is no difference between solving 4x4 matrix. Firstly, we have to make a sign. If we I am going to expand along R1. Okay. You can expand C1, C2, C3, C4, or you can expand R1, R2 and R3. So, okay. So 4x4 matrix 2 3 2 1. Now this is 4x matrix. Firstly that was 4x3 matrix. Okay, then how we have to expand it? I am going to expand along R1. Okay, so firstly I have to write element 1. Sign will be plus minus like a 3x3 matrix I had told before. Okay, so plus 1. Now this row, this column, this row we have to not take. Now this we have to write this full 3x3 matrix 2 1 3 2 4 2 2 2 1. Now we have to write which sign? Plus, nahi, not minus. We have to write -3. Okay, we have to cancel this column, this row, 2 2 2 2 4 2 2 2 1, and we have to write these elements 2 2 2 2 2 4 2 2 2 1. Okay, no problem. I think no problem. Next, plus 0. So we will neglect 0 because we know that if we multiply any number with 0 it always comes 0. Then we can neglect this. Okay, so I am going to write this -3. So this column, this row cancelled out. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 1 4 2 3 2. So these are the elements, and now we have to solve this so we can find the mod A, and it means determinant of A. So you can usually find 3x3 matrix. You will know very well how to solve, so I'm not going to solve. Okay, you can solve. I hope you can solve. If you watch my previous video, then you can solve this type of matrix. So I'm going to take next topic, that is singular matrix and non-singular matrix. So let's start the singular matrix and non-singular matrix. So guys, singular matrix is that matrix in which determinant always comes 0. What is singular matrix? Is that matrix in which determinant always comes 0. Means mod of A is always comes 0. And what is the non-singular matrix? Yes, what you are thinking? I hope you are thinking that mod of determinant is not equal to 0. That is you are thinking. Means if you are thinking this, then you are thinking right. Means determinant of A is not equal to 0. Then that is non-singular matrix. So we'll take some questions based on this topic. So I'm going to take some questions. You will try to solve and comment your answer. First question is, hey guys, your first question is in front of you. So given that find the value of x, means this, if any matrix given 3x3 is singular, then how will you solve this question? Very simple. You must know the condition I had told before this question. Means determinant of A is equal to 0. By putting determinant of A equal to 0, you can solve this question very easily. So I'm going to solve the question. Firstly, pause the video and note down. I'm waiting. Okay. The question is this. Okay, I had erased the some part that is not necessary. So this is, and what will be mod determinant of a equal to 0. Then we will find the determinant of a. Then how will you find the determinant of a? I'm going to expand along R1. Take as usual along R1. So we'll take this neglect 1, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 2 into 1 2 minus minus plus 2. This neglect 1 into minus 3 means minus 3 plus x and plus 2 into 1 2 minus 2 into x minus 2x is equal to 0. Then you can solve easily, I think. Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 and multiply now this, so it will be minus 6 plus 2x plus 4 minus 4x equal to 0. So now this becomes simple, so you can easily find the value of x for which matrix is singular matrix. So minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 plus 4 minus 6 plus minus 4x plus 2x, that is minus 2x, and minus 2x is equal to 0. I am going right now. Yes, so minus 6 equal to 2x, so value of x comes equal to minus 3. I hope you solved it easily. So next question, I am going to tell you next question. The next question in front of you. In this question again we have to find the value of x for which matrix is singular matrix. So this is very simple and same like before question, so you must have to solve this question. Okay, so friends, just now pause the video and solve this question. So 3 2 1, I am going to solve now. Very simple. Now expand this, very simple, this because it is 2 cross 2. So 1 plus x into 8 minus 7 3 minus 6 equal to 0. How? By the condition determinant of equal to 0. This is the determinant and equal to 0. So 8 plus 8x minus 7 3 21 minus plus 7x equal to 0. So 20 minus 21 minus 13, what will be? Minus 13 and this comes 8x plus 7x comes plus 15x to 0. So value of x comes, while what value of x comes, 13 comes this side to become positive. Value of x comes 13 by 15, and that is your answer. Means the value of the for x is equal to 13 by 15, we have to put here that matrix is singular matrix. Okay, so I'm giving one question in your homework, so you must solve it and send your answer in comment section. Okay, the question is, so here guys, the question is a x minus 1, this matrix is given, for what value of x is singular. Same question, same process, you must know properties of singular and non-singular. So send your answer in comment section. Please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and like this video, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.